Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Stromae Pomme with Meilleure Ennemie. Alright, translates into My Greatest Enemy. And let's take a look at this 4-chord song that goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario. And we're going to do that with capo on the 5th fret because that's the easiest way. And that's what we are aiming for. So put that capo on 5th. Let's go over the chords B minor, A, E minor, and F sharp minor. Starting with B minor, that's a bar chord where you place your index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up to this point, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord is A. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have E minor. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the F sharp minor. Again, a bar chord, and again, you push down the 2nd fret, all strings there this time, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. There you have the chord progression, B minor, A, E minor, and F sharp minor. Now, into the strumming, if you grab the first chord, the B minor, one string around will be down, up, clap, down. Okay, so down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. Alright, so the chord progression now will be B minor, 2 string rounds, then A, 2 string rounds, then E minor, 3 string rounds plus 1 down, and then you go to the F sharp minor and play just 1 down, and you finished 1 round of that. It goes in the same way through the entire song, so you're just gonna roll this chord progression: B minor 2, A2, E minor 3 plus 1 down, and F sharp minor 1 down, like this. Again, B minor, A, E minor, E minor, E minor, down, F sharp. Alright, boys and girls, so that is how you handle My Greatest Enemy. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.